Uh, it's Fat Boy and Powers Inc. Tonight's tonight. It's the revolution. Why is it always some old black and white boy telling us young fellas that we ain't relevant in a world that embellishes lack of relative content from these elements? You call them stars, I call them settlements.
What's going on, y'all? It's your mother boy, brother DJ the Capo, Cartier Capo, whatever you want to call me, Capo. You know what I'm saying? Mr. Mother Wolf on Wall Street. You heard me? Coming to you live from the studio. You know what I'm saying? Didn't want to do the in-house studio thing. You know what I'm saying? So we in the real thing. You know what it is? It's about financial freedom, right? Financial literacy, investing, stock market, stocks, ETF, bonds, cryptocurrency, all that good stuff. So once again, we're going to talk about this account that I nickel and dime, right? The market's been mad crazy. I'm at $435.72 right now. And I'm going to tell you guys the stocks that I'm in for this particular Robinhood account. And to have multiple Robinhood accounts, you got to have multiple bank accounts. You can't have just one bank account and multiple Robinhood accounts to that one bank account. They won't let you do that, all right? Whatever. So for this particular account that I want to tell you I'm in, every stock, all right? Fuel cell, all right? Plug power, or some people call it power plug, but it's really plug power. Jamia Technologies, all right? Neo, N-I-O, Neo, not N-E-O, Matrix Neo, Neo, N-I-O. Starbucks, Apple, Nike, Peloton, Disney, and the mother of all, Tesla, right? Gotta have it. And, you know, a lot of these plays that I'm in for this account, the bottom ones that I named, the Tesla, the Disney, Nike, Apple, those are like my more long-term plays. Peloton is a good one, but I really think that Peloton probably has run its course, and I think I might actually sell out of this play. I'm not decided yet, and once again, I'm no financial advisor, none of that. It's just for educational purposes only. I'm only telling you from my personal experience what I have going on with my account, all right? Letting you know that off the rip. But make sure you subscribe to the channel, because once again, I'm doing this for beginners. I'm doing this for those who don't have a lot of money, to show that you can make money in the market with less than $500. I've proven that with this particular account. I nickel and dime this. The total investment I made total in this account was $310. And I'm at 435.72. And I actually was up higher than that. I was actually like the 460s, almost 470. I was about to damn near break 500, to be honest with you, on this particular account. But you know, you gotta take your wins, you gotta take your losses. You know what I'm saying? The market's been kind of, I don't like saying the word volatile, but it has been. And you know, you gotta take the good with the bad. But overall, I'm gonna break it down to you. So a week ago, I was down in this account 1.9%. All right, nothing. That's a couple bucks. A month ago, just a month ago, I'm up 16%. 3 months ago, this account is up 36%. For the year, this account, from year to date, from the time I started in July all the way up to now, this account is up 41.79%. Okay? I'm making money off of this account. You know, fuel cell. When I bought in the fuel cell, my average cost per share was $8.91. The stock price now is $11.30. So there's a couple bucks, and depending on how many number of shares you bought, obviously the profit is going to be bigger. You know, the same thing with plug power. When I bought in, my average cost per share is $15.41. Right now, the price is at $33.94 per share. I've doubled that. You know what I'm saying? That's I've doubled that play, and it's still going up. You know, Jumia, the African Amazon. Dude, that's what they've been calling it. That's what they've been labeling it. The next Amazon of Africa. My average cost per share is $28.74. The stock price right now is $40.14. You see, the key to one of the things I've learned, and that I will try to share with you guys, is when you do your research on whatever you want to get into, you can't be hesitant. You got to get in while the stock is low, because once it goes up, then you're going to be chasing, you know, or you get frustrated with the stock and you sell it, and then boom, that stock shoots up. Now you're back trying to buy it, and now you're actually down because you're chasing. I've been there before. That's a mistake everybody makes when they start investing. You know what I mean? So once again, you can invest and come out on top. But I would suggest, if you can, you know, start out, if you can, with a couple $100. You know, the stimuluses are coming out, and if you're able to, you know, take some of that stimulus money, open you up a Robinhood account or Acorns account or Fidelity account or Webull account or E-Trade account or whatever financial institution you feel comfortable with. Open up an account, buy you some stock. Before you guys take your stimulus money and do what's right with it, and then the rest you go trick it off in the club or buying stupid stuff that you guys don't need. All right, this is from our people who are really serious about financial freedom. Like I said, I got money spread out all over the place. You know what I'm saying? Because that's what I choose to do, and that's the path I have to take for the goals I want to accomplish. You know what I'm saying? So I have Robinhood, I have Webull, I have Acorns. You know, I have a third party that I go through, Pioneer Funds. You know what I'm saying? That they handle my life insurance and my Roth IRA. You know, and I have my 401k through my job. You know, so I have money all over the place, and that's for a damn good reason. Because I stressed it before, I'm not trying to be working forever. I'm not going to be one of them people. I don't want you guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, I don't want you guys to be one of those people where you're working till you're damn near 60, 70 years old, or you just got to keep working because you ain't comfortable, you haven't built up the financial backing and cushion that you need to sit on your ass and retire early. My goal is to not have to work and be done working by the time I turn 45. Young man, got a ways to go. So in the meantime, I'm just keep grinding, man. Keep letting y'all know that this stuff can be done. You know, like one thing that I'm actually looking into get into is high dividend yield stocks to buy. Those are the ones where it's a stock, and it produces a high monthly dividend depending on how much of it that you buy. And one of them that I'm actually looking at is Main Street Capital. Main Street Capital right now is sitting at $32.45 a share, and the dividend yield is 7.6%. So depending on how many shares you buy, you're going to have those number of shares times 7.6% of a monthly dividend coming into your account. You know, who doesn't want that? Who wouldn't want that? You know what I'm saying? Or you could look into um, the Power Shares S&P 500 high dividend. You know, that is sitting at $37.58 a share. Their dividend yield is 4.89%. Or if you don't even want to do that, you know, you could look. I had AT&T. I bought into them, and then I sold out of it, took profit, but I was getting a nice monthly dividend from them. Their stock is sitting at $28.74 a share with a monthly dividend of 7.25%. So you don't even have to look into the other first two that I said, the SP 500 or Main Street Capital. You could buy AT&T for under $30 a share and reap the rewards of getting a monthly dividend at 7.232 for the monthly dividend yield. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. You know what I'm saying? Just talking about it got me wanting to just go ahead and buy back into AT&T. I'm not even going to lie, you know. But these are the things that, look, once again, depending on what type of investor you are, you want to be. If you want to be one of those that like to day trade and make quick profits, that's fine. If you want to sit back and let your stuff grow, that's fine. Or like me, I have quick plays and I have growth plays. You know what I'm saying? I day trade every day. You know what I'm saying? If you guys haven't noticed, Bitcoin is through the roof right now. You know what I'm saying? And yes, I bought into some Bitcoin. Talked about this before. Bitcoin is currently sitting at $32,845.47 right now for one Bitcoin. Did I buy one whole Bitcoin? No, I did not. That's why I keep saying I bought into Bitcoin. There is a difference. If I had 32,000, I wouldn't buy it all in the Bitcoin. I tell you that damn much. I would buy a nice amount, yeah, but I wouldn't put all of it in there because there's other things I want my money in. But you know, one of my homeboys who bought cryptocurrency, bought Bitcoin, he said, and this is an example. He bought Bitcoin, put $10 into Bitcoin last week just to see, because he's skeptical. I'm trying to educate him on cryptocurrencies and whatnot, as much as I'm still educating myself on it, and I'm trying to help you guys too. Because I believe that's the way things are going to be going. I don't believe that we're going to be still dealing with dollar bills and notes and coins and whatnot. We're going to be more digitalized. That's why people have Google wallets and all this stuff, and you're able to pay with your debit cards on your phones and all this other stuff. And you know, it's this examples like that. Cash App, Venmo, shout out Square because they're the owner of Cash App, and I invested in them and took nice profits. You know, so he said that he last week bought into Bitcoin at $10, and his Bitcoin is worth $17 in a week. $10 last week, $17 this week. That's crazy. Now I don't know, you know, my man's. I trust him. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm not gonna lie, my Bitcoin has been going through the roof. I got other cryptocurrency. I'm actually about to look into buying some Litecoin, but I want to keep cementing my position in Bitcoin and the other ones before I get into Litecoin. But leave a comment if you have any questions, concerns, whatever the case may be about any stocks. You have any questions about dividends or what you should get into, what plays or whatever. Leave a comment and let me know, and I'll bring it back up and we can talk about this. You know what I'm saying? I want to see everybody win. You know what I'm saying? I want everybody to be able to get financial freedom. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is just not for me. This is for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Like, I believe and I'm showing you guys that it can be done with all the uncertainty that's been going on, with all the craziness with the presidency, the election, 45 doing stupid stuff, all that. I've been able to make profits during this whole time. So it's doable. All right. So with the cryptocurrency, like I said, Bitcoin is shooting through the roof, and it's going to be the new wave. Like I said before, I've already given you examples where you've had Fortune 500 companies already cementing themselves in Bitcoin, whether they're buying a ton of it or their companies are now using that as a form of payment. You know what I'm saying? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a link down in the below for you guys to get some free stock. All right, on Robinhood. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead, click the link, open you up a Robinhood account, and you'll get you some free stock. All right. So that's going to be my gift to you guys. All right. For those who don't have it, I'm going to put the link down there, get you guys some free stock. Okay. So this has been another Wolf on Wall Street. I appreciate y'all. Subscribe to the channel. Squadcast is doing a lot of things. You know what I'm saying? We got the Wolf on Wall Street. So I'm about to do my battle rap stuff. Chefin is coming back. He's got a lot of things going on with his outdoorsman thing. Junkyard Gang, God Mom, and what she's got going on. Brother Black and what he's going to be doing. Like, shout out to the whole 118 subscribers and whoever else is thinking about or wants to subscribe or has subscribed to the channel. All right. Peace out. I do this for y'all. One.